We're at IBC 2018 and we're at the G Technology booth. We're going to take a closer look at, well, surely it can't be faster products. RedShark at IBC 2018 is brought to you by
Black Magic Design.
So tell me, this can't possibly be true. You found another way to make your drives faster.
Oh yes, we have. We've got the alchemy. So last year, we showed you the great SSD Ore series. The fantastic droppable drive that actually you can plunge in water. Waterproof, IP67, dustproof. So how could we make this faster? Well, we changed the internal drive from SATA to NVMe PCI Express and changed the interface from USB to Thunderbolt 3. So that took us from 560 megabytes a second to 2,800 megabytes a second.
That's eye-watering.
So we've gone from being able to transfer a terabyte to a regular drive in about 160 minutes to our portable USB-C drive in 40 minutes to our Thunderbolt 3 drive in 7 minutes for a terabyte. So as you can see, like the last one, it's built like a tank. It's got the aluminium heatsink for heat dissipation, so it means you get consistent writes, which is really important. 2,800 megabytes a second is absolutely ridiculous speeds to get out of a portable drive. What's important is that this can now run pretty much the same speed as your internal drive in your MacBook Pro. Problem you have in your MacBook Pro: you buy the MacBook Pro, you go cheap on the storage. You buy 256, 512, you run out of storage in 2 weeks. So now you can actually buy a terabyte of storage for about $699. That's cheaper than going up 1 terabyte in your MacBook Pro for about $800. Plus you get to take this from station to station, you can work in it as an edit drive, so it completely changes the game storage-wise. So it's a bit nutty. So that's our portable version up to 1 terabyte. We have a desktop version as well. So if 1 terabyte isn't enough and you're greedy, and I know you're a bit greedy, I know you're greedy for the 4K, this goes up to 8 terabytes. So again, 2,800 megabytes a second, 1,300 on the writes because it's an enterprise class drive. So this gives you 1 drive write per day. A typical SSD is maybe 300 to 500 terabytes written. This is about 8 terabytes a day. So that's about 14,000 terabytes written over the lifetime. So that's if you're an editor and you're hitting this hard every single day, no problem to the flash. So you step up again, you think 8 terabytes? Nah, I like the 4K and the 6K and a bit more of the 8K. This is where you have our SSD shuttle. So this is built like a tank. If MacGyver used storage, this is what he'd use. So, you know, this comes with a full Peli case, Thunderbolt 3 speeds. Instead of using NVMe, this time we use lower cost SATA media. So we've actually got 8 SATA drives in here in 4 bays, and this is what they look like. So regular SATA SSDs from our fantastic SanDisk family. And these combine to give you a rateable solution. You can do 0, 1, 5, 6, 10. Even in RAID, you'll get 2,800, 2,800. So stupid fast and with protection. To top it all off, if you want to use this as an ingest system, you can pull out one of these bays and add in one of our readers. So literally replace that with a caddy, and you can be, you know, taking it in from your Atomos and copying it back out to our EV drives. So Thunderbolt 3 all the way, incredibly fast, robust SSDs. That's all I can do for you today.
That's all I need.
At your service.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much.
If you don't want to miss anything from IBC 2018, then make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come on, hit that button.